Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play Proud Mary by CCR, Creedence Clearwater Revival. I'm tuned to G, low G, D in the middle, high G. It starts off on the 5th fret, and you go down up. That's a C chord. And I'm going to show you how I strum it to keep it smooth. You may choose to do more downstrokes or more upstrokes. So what I'm going to show you right now isn't totally written in stone, it's just how it works for me. So to keep it smooth, and I'm going to go down to the 2nd fret now, A, I end up going down, up, and then my down is kind of muted, and then up on the A. So that works for me. If you want to go all downstrokes, many people do. So that works too. And then I go up, down. So if you notice, my hand is like very steadily, I'm not having to do anything with my hand, whereas when you're playing downstrokes, you have to hit each one. So once again though, it's just my suggestion. Okay, we've done that twice. Now we start again, same thing. So I went up on the 2 again, and then up on the 0, which is G, and then I'm going to go all the way up to 10, which is F, and I'm going to go down, up, and then up, down, and go to 7th fret, which is D. I'll play that last phrase for you. Alright, I better do it slow. Okay, and once again I have my way of doing it with the down and up strums written in there, and hopefully that works for you. But if it doesn't, you want to change anything, don't worry about it. I've seen so many people play this song so many different ways, it doesn't really matter. Now we're into the rhythm of the song. This is actually a little more important in a way. It starts off, it's on the 7th fret, D, and it's going to be there for quite a while. So you start off with down, up, and then you do another up just before the next down, up. See how that keeps that sort of rhythm going? And once again, if you're watching me play this and I'm not paying attention, I'll go like a... For some reason I like to do that, I just sort of hit it twice, fills in a little more to me. But it isn't actually what it does. What it does is... and then up again. He maintains that rhythm right through. Play that for a while. When it's time to change chords, you go down to A. You can just strum that out, or you can keep the same rhythm. And then up to B. B, and then back up to D again. And that's the rolling part, rolling on the river. And there's a lick you can do there. So that was up to 11. And then 9, 7, 9. And that is absolutely all you need to play rhythm throughout the entire song. If you want to try to fit in a solo, this solo won't be the same as the record. But you can do a pretty nifty little solo up here on frets 7, 9, 7 on the high string, and 9 and 11. That's basically the melody, and then it goes down to the A chord, and then back to the B chord. and then you're back into the song. which is the rolling part, and you got that lick again. Hope you found that helpful. Have a great day. Bye.